Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good evening to everyone. So today we are from group for onion peeler machine. For assignment 3, we are going to present our proposal about the onion peeler machine. So before everything, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Solihin Najmi Belokman. My matric number is 1919865, and this is my group member. Okay, so first of all, the introduction. Onion has been a popular food for many centuries in some countries in the world, including Malaysia, especially countries in the Asia, because Asian country use onion in their dishes and they have a lot of product from onion. Based on Helgi Analytics 2018, this is the statistic. Average onion consumption per capita reached 11.8 kilogram in 2018 in the world. This is 0.935% less than in the previous year and 13.5% more than 10 years ago. This shows us that onion consumption by countries in the world, especially Asian countries, is rapidly increasing. So all people in the world are using onion more than before. And the high demand of onion, the increasing demand of onion that we have seen in the statistic in the world is proportional to demand for the machines that involve onion. So we have to understand that the machine that involve onion are highly demanded right now because onion itself is high demand. So that's why we are going to propose these issues to you guys right now. Okay, so first of all, the issues. For farm level operation, interaction studies were carried out. This is a studies carried out between the speed of rotation versus peeling efficiency, where the peeling machine that will be explained by Lutfi after this. The peeling machine have the rotation plate, and the rotation plate will peel the onion. So the efficiency of the current peeling machine was about 80% with unpeeled and damaged percentage, which means the 80% is perfectly peeled, but the another 20%, 12% is damaged and 8% is unpeeled respectively. So from the 12% of damaged onion, out of the 1 ton of onion that been produced in 1 day, that's mean 120 kilograms, which mean in 1 ton of onion that have been processed, will produce 120 damaged onion. This is so a lot of waste of onion because of the inefficiency. And average onion weight according to National Onion Association is one onion is 200 gram, which means every ton 600 600 onion fruit itself are damaged, and while 80 kg equivalent to 400 onion unpicked is being thrown away. So to solve this situation, we are trying the same approach as the current mechanical machine, but with some additional aspect and calculation to make sure the onion is kept undamaged and well unpicked. And at the end of the day, we are going to increase the efficiency of the onion peeler machine. Okay, that's all for me.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Badru Munir and I will continue the methodology part. So the first step we did was surveying. We did surveys on the ready available machine of onion peeling machine in the market. So we can identify and list all of their problems and their strengths and improve them and make it into our machine. The second step is modeling. We created the improved peeling onion machine model using SketchUp Pro to construct our model of onion peeling machine. So the third step is calculation. We find the engineering properties of onion and make sure it is compatible with our onion peeling machine. And the fourth one is evaluation, where we evaluate the model and determine whether the model is good to be used or not. So that's all for me. I'll pass to the next presenter.
Okay, next we go to the onion peeler prototype design. So as we can see, these are the prototype that our group come out with. So the major component of the design, which is we have a motor. we will be spinning the spin plate, and then we use a PVC pipe for the water to flow inside this tube, and then inside we also have rubber stick, and then we have switch to switch on and off the machine, and one emergency button if anything happen for emergency, and then we have a chamber to uh, bring out all the onion that have been peeled into the collector box. So the main material that I use is aluminum alloy, which is uh, in our project. The machine will be using water, so we need a material that can be rust proof and strong. So and the thing, we use rubber stick to peel the onion. We use rubber because the rubber is soft, that it can lessen the damage to the onion, and high friction toward the skin onion. And then we all use also plastic, add some material. This is the overall design for our prototype onion peeler. That's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Azmil. I'm going to talk about the engineering properties of onions. So, as we know, onions have many species and types, but we have to choose the ones that is commonly used in Malaysia. So first, we have to know its physical properties. And first of all, its size and shape, we have to determine whether it's circle or a rectangle or anything due to with these three formula. First is the geometric mean diameter and arithmetic mean diameter. Both is same but different. Arithmetic is the average as usual, but geometric is much more complicated. So the L is stand for length of the onions, W is width of the onions, and T is the thickness, I believe. Yes, thickness of onions, and all of it is measured in millimeter. So how to determine the size and shape? We use vernier caliper to determine the average of the samples of onions and determine its average. So because of its round shape, round-like shape, we have to use a sphericity formula. So next. So the second one is the physical properties of onions. We have to determine its mass and thickness, of course. So we have to determine the peel's mass or the skin and the peel's thickness, because we have to ascertain its features due to the design of our rubber stick to peel the onions. So we have to know its mass and the thickness of the peel itself by using the formula below, which is the mass of the peels to be removed, which is the MCP to be removed, and the following MFSL is mass of first squamous leaf and the second squamous leaf plus the third squamous leaf and squamous fleshy leaf, and divided by the total onion mass. And for the thickness, we use the same method, but only for the properties of thickness. Okay, next. I pass to another presenter. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Azmi. So my name is Ahmad Nufan Shauki. So we continue the mechanical properties. What is mechanical properties? Mechanical properties is the properties that affect the behavior of agricultural material under the applied force. For example, we check the hardness, compression strength, compression test, or similar like to test the mechanical properties. So these mechanical properties to avoid crushing and damage onions while peeling process is done. So that's all from me, and pass to next presenter.
Sorry,
Hi.
take up. Sorry, there is another one. Sorry, we have technical difficulties. So another one for the physical properties for the onions is the density, of course, because of the machine, we have to pour water right into the machine. So we have to know its density to avoid the water from damaging the onions and from submerged because of too much because of the density miscalculation. So first, the true density, which is using by water displacement method, and the bulk density by filling and weighing onion in known volume containers. So that's all.
Okay, hi. My name is Bagam Muhammad Irfan. I will present on the expected outcome from the onion peeler. As you can see in the picture, we expect that more than 90% of the onion is peeled. And by using the onion peeler machine, we can peel around 2 kg of onion, which is 12 pieces of onion can be peeled at one time. And the time required to peel the onion is around 5 to 10 minutes, although the user can set the time they want to peel the onion. Okay, next. Okay, next. So the contribution to the user, there's three aspects that we need to take care of, which is the design, function, and cost. For the design, there is 2 points that we need to think, which is the ergonomic and safety. For the ergonomic, we designed our onion peeler machine to be light and small, as they are portable and can be moved easily. And for the safety, except for the we designed the cover of the onion peeler to be working as a switch that will cut off the circuit of the onion peeler automatically to ensure the user safety. And next is the function. We have a basic and straightforward construction and operation, allowing user to operate it with ease, which is quite ergonomic for the user. And we also make it more efficient due to multiple rubber point stick and use of water to peel the onion. And for the cost, we can say that our onion peeler is quite affordable with a price range of 2,000 and below, 2,000 ringgit and below, and it is also accessible in the public market. It also have a low installation cost and low maintenance cost. That's all from us. Thank you.